Welcome back everyone. Today we will be learning about the words that contain the kanji Nichi, the sun. So here we go. The first one is called Nichiyobi. First kanji Nichi, second kanji Yo, third kanji Bi. As you can see, Nichiyobi. The second word is Mainichi. First kanji Mai, second kanji Nichi. Third word is Yasumi no Hi. The last kanji has the reading Hi. Fourth word is Nihon, as you guys already might know. So the first kanji of this word has the reading Ni. And the final word is Honjitsu, whose last kanji's reading is Jitsu. So you can see that the Nichi kanji has so many readings. First word means Monday, the second word means everyday, the third word means holiday or vacation, the fourth word means Japan, as you guys know, and the final word means today. So the Nichi kanji has the pronunciations or the readings Nichi, Ni, Nichi, Hi, Ni or Jitsu and many more.